Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. As you can tell from the title of the video, and because I'm standing next to this, yes, I'm going to be dyeing another wig. Also, just need to say that noise in the background is a fan. It is so hot in my house, like the weather in the UK is mental at the moment, so please excuse that humming kind of noise. Yeah, I've literally got the fan on my legs to cool me down. But back to the wig dyeing. I feel like I haven't done this for ages, and I'm so excited to transform this human hair wig. So it is a nice medium length, and we've got a middle part in, and it is a lace front, and yeah, I'm going to be using some new hair colour from L'Oreal. Now they've just launched the Colorista Permanent Gel range, which I've got my hands on 2 of the shades right here, and I'll go into them in a second. But basically they are a high intensity shimmering colour, and they are long lasting. So I've got the shade Silver Grey and Rose Gold, and I'm going to be creating an ombre look on this wig, starting with the Silver Grey at the top and then blending it into the Rose Gold, working my way down. And yeah, I'm really excited to try these new hair colours out. So there's 10 shades in total, and what's really great about them is that they're actually now in 150ml bottles, so you get way more hair dye than you normally would. So it's great for if you've got longer hair. And the gel formula is amazing and works on everybody's hair type, even afros. So this hair colour is for everybody. So let's get a box open and see what's inside. You will find some gloves, which are super useful, and I highly recommend using them. You'll find stage 1, which is the colouring gel, which you pour in to stage 2, which is the developer, and stage 3, which is the post bold colour mask, which you get up to 6 applications, and it leaves your hair looking very shiny. Right, let's get started dyeing this wig. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to speed it up just so I can show you the whole process, and yeah, let's get dyeing. Colour is on, and it is looking so fab already. Like, I'm actually so surprised at how pigmented the Colorista Permanent Gels are. They're amazing. So I'm going to leave this on for 30 minutes, and I just want to say as well, before you colour your hair with the Colorista Permanent Gels, do make sure you do a strand test 48 hours before. You can find more information on the packaging for that. But yeah, let's see what this looks like after half an hour. So guys, just washed the colour out of the wig and it is looking so good. And whilst it's still wet, I'm going to pop on stage 3, which is the post bold colour mask, and it's going to make my wig look super shiny. Right, I'm going to rinse that out, come back, blow dry the wig, pop it on and see what the finished results are.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
The wig is dried, it's been styled, it looks amazing. Let's get it on and see the finished results.
Always be there. Always alone. You will 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 always be there. Always alone.
Guys, this is the finished wig. What do we think? Oh my god, I actually love it. It's so nice. The ombre worked so well. It's so fab. Oh my god. I do have to say, I do think the colours are a lot more pigmented than I thought. Obviously, any colour from the L'Oreal Colorista Permanent Gel range will look different on everybody's hair type and colour, purely because nobody has the exact same hair. Obviously, looking at the boxes of dye that I used on my hair now, they do recommend you use it on fairly light hair. On both the boxes it does say that if you are not a natural blonde or bleach blonde, then they'd advise you not to use those shades. But there are 10 shades altogether. There's so many other shades to choose from, so I'll pop a link below so you can see the full collection. There's some unreal colours in there. There's like deep greens and blues and purple, so do check out the whole collection. And yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts on this wig and the hair dye. Please leave your comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I do so many different videos, hair dye videos, so yeah, I know you guys will love them if you enjoyed this one. And yeah, I've popped links below for you to shop the whole entire Colorista Permanent Gel range. yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed applying that hair dye. I felt it was super easy to apply. It was very, very quick to develop. As you could see when I was dyeing it, it like was pretty intense straight away. Yeah, really impressed. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in another video here very, very soon. Peace out.